Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create and manage customer profiles in Wave. It's going to be a quick one as usual, so let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do, of course, is to log into Wave accounts. You can do so on the Wave website on the mobile, or you can do so on the mobile app. But once you're logged into Wave, you're just going to go to sales, and then under sales just go to customers. Next, we're going to click add a customer. And from here, you need to enter the customer's name, email, phone number, and address. And once that's done, save the profile. And to edit or update, you're just going to click on a customer's name, and you can make the changes you want later on. But from here on, just use customer profiles when creating invoices, estimates, or when sending reminders. Customer profile makes your invoice process smoother, and in the next video we're going to look at how to automate reminders for overdue invoices, so stay tuned to that. That's pretty much it for this video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.